declare ng war nga kayo man ang gustong pumasok dyan. China is claiming it. You are insisting that it is now an international sea, while the arbitral says it is ours, entitlements. Ang ginagamit ng Amerikang yun is international seas yan. It's not even closer to what we are claiming na atin yan, which is validated by the award. So huwag mong ipasubo ang Pilipinas, hindi papayag. Patayin mo ang Pilipino, anong laban namin? You place us all in danger. That's a red line. You do that and I will be there when you start building even before you go build the first post. Kasi ang China ayaw na makikipag-away.